In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language and voice in Murf AI. First, log into your Murf AI account and open the studio or the specific project you're working on. Give the project a moment to load so all your assets and timelines are ready. Having the correct project open ensures your language and voice selections apply to the right script without any confusion. Next, head to the Voices area. You can click on Hear More Voices or navigate to the Voices section from the interface. This is where Murf groups its voice library and provides filters to refine what you hear. You'll see a language drop-down menu. This is the key to switching languages. Open the language drop-down and choose the language you want from the supported list. Selecting the language first helps narrow down the voice options to only those that are designed for that language. For the best results, make sure the text of your script is written in the same language you're selecting. This helps the voice model pronounce words naturally and keeps the pacing smooth and authentic. Once the language is set, browse the available voices in that language and pick one that fits your content and tone. Many voices include a short sample. Use these previews to get a feel for their character, whether you need something warm and conversational, clear and professional, or energetic and promotional. If you're unsure, try a couple of options and listen to how they handle your script. Now fine-tune the voice settings. Adjust pitch to make the voice slightly deeper or brighter, and tweak speed to match the pace you want. Slower for instructional content, a bit faster for snappier messages. If a style control is available, select the delivery that suits your project, such as conversational, narrative, or formal. Small adjustments can dramatically improve clarity and engagement, so take a moment to experiment. When you're happy with the setup, preview your script in the new language. Listen from start to finish to catch any pacing or pronunciation issues. If something feels off, make minor edits to punctuation or line breaks in your script, or nudge the speed and pitch again until it sounds natural. Finally, export or download your audio. Choose your preferred format and quality settings, confirm the file name, and save it to your project folder. That's it. Your script is now rendered in the language and voice you selected, ready for use in your video, podcast, or presentation.